In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick or copy any color from any page in seconds. Why is this useful? You may want to use it for specific types of branding, to pick the perfect color for your logo or site, or to make sure all the colors are congruent throughout your funnel, because we know that if a browser becomes confused, then they click away. So let's dive in. I'll show you how to do it. It's super quick. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google and just type in eyedropper. Now, you'll end up at the Chrome Web Store and you want this exact plugin. So you just click, it'll say add to Chrome there. I've already got it, that's it up there. And then you add to Chrome and then that's it there. Now, let's see how we can use it. So let's say that I want to pick this exact blue here. So this is a web page builder that I use. It's by far the most complete all-in-one suite that I've ever come across. I'll give you a quick tour. So it's got, you can integrate Instagram, calendars, contacts, you can build websites, you can have memberships, you can have portals that host your videos internally, you can create courses, you can do anything. Now, if I want to pick that one color, I just go up here, pick color from page, pick color from web page, and then that's it. Click over it. Then that'll pull that color in up there. So then I can take that code. So it's got that as, you've got your color code, you've got your HSL, your RGB. Then the way that you would then use that, I use Canva for a lot of design work that I do. By far the easiest to use. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I'll also leave a link to Elite 360 in the description if you want to check that out. So say I want to change this background color. I now know that I can just paste this in and in seconds, it'll give me that color. So we just go up here, add a new color and put in. Now this will work across any platform that can select colors. So let's go into Elite 360, for example, and let's go to one of my sites. So let's say that we want to edit the background, right? Go up to settings, go to background, and we'll go to background color, paste that in, add color, and then that's done. Now that looks absolutely terrible, so I'm going to get rid of it, but you get the idea. So you can do that across any platform you choose. It's super, super easy. Let me show you a couple of other examples. Let's say you want to use the yellow or the red from McDonald's. Go up here, pick color from page. There we go. Now we've got that red. So we want to use the yellow or the orange. There we go, there we go. Now we've got that too. Now, why is this useful? You could be doing this with affiliate marketing products, for example. So let's say you're selling a product on behalf of McDonald's. They don't have an affiliate program, but let's just use that example. You want your web page to have a similar color scheme to theirs because that creates the congruency, which maintains trust with the browser. So a confused buyer always says no. The more congruency you have throughout your funnel, the more likely they are to convert. So that's it for this video. Drop any comments if you have them. It's super quick, super easy. I encourage you to get the plugin and use it, and I'll see you in the next video.